Today, I'll walk you through how to capture everything in OneNote, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to utilize OneNote's features so you can organize your thoughts and ideas effectively. Let's get started by opening your OneNote desktop app. If you don't have it open yet, go ahead and launch it now. This is your digital notebook where all the magic happens. Once you have OneNote open, the first step is to create a new page. You can do this by clicking on the Add Page button on the right side of your screen. This is like setting up a blank canvas for your ideas, a space where you can freely jot down notes, sketches, or anything else that comes to mind. Now, OneNote offers an infinite canvas, which means you can click anywhere on the page and start typing your text. This flexibility allows you to arrange your thoughts in a way that makes sense to you. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The core functionality remains the same. In addition to typing, OneNote also has a draw option. You can use various types of pens to sketch or doodle directly on your page. This feature is perfect for visual thinkers who prefer to illustrate their ideas rather than just writing them down. Speaking of drawing, OneNote includes an automatic shape option. When you draw a shape, it will auto-detect and perfect it for you. This is like having a digital assistant that ensures your sketches look polished and professional. If you need to create specific shapes or lines, such as arrows, you can use the Shape tool. This allows you to add clarity to your notes, making it easier to convey your ideas visually. Another powerful feature of OneNote is the ability to copy content from a different page and paste it into your current page. This function retains almost the exact formatting and even includes a link to the original page where the content was captured. It's a great way to keep your notes interconnected. If you prefer a cleaner look, you can paste content as plain text by using Ctrl, Shift, and V together. This strips away any formatting, giving you a fresh start to work with. OneNote also allows you to capture details in various ways. You can take screenshots, record audio, or even add video recordings directly onto your page. Additionally, you can paste pictures, making it easy to enrich your notes with visual elements. In conclusion, OneNote is a versatile tool that can help you capture everything from text to visuals seamlessly. By following these steps, you can make the most out of your OneNote experience and keep your ideas organized and accessible. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.